Let's see our thermal compound. Where is it? It's right here. I wiped the thermal compound. Okay. Okay, this is enough. We don't need a lot of thermal grease. Okay, so this is Deepcool Gamma Archer for Intel and AMD. It's a very big okay. Oh, we had right here some thermal compound. We are not going to use it. So how do you do this? LGA 1150, okay, and 775. All of these must be in the upside part of the hole. Yeah, up. Because if it's going to be in the downside, yeah, right here, it's going to be just like for 775, you see. So all of these must be up, okay. And what do? You put it right here, okay. You screw it with okay. Pretty straightforward so far. Okay, and this motherfucker. Okay, let's put it like this. Come on. Ah, yes, I did it.